Hi guys, it's Julie from cookedbyjulie.com, and today we're making crispy honey lemon pepper wings. Perfectly seasoned, fried till golden brown, then tossed in a delicious honey lemon pepper sauce. You're gonna love them. Let's get started. So here I have a spice blend that I quickly put together: paprika, oregano, garlic powder, and onion powder. Give it a good mix and then add half to the chicken. Here I have 2.5 teaspoons of salt, and you want to add half to the chicken. Mix the chicken well and set it aside. Here I have some all-purpose flour. To it I added baking powder. I promise you won't taste it. It's just to make them extra crispy. The remaining spice blend and the remaining salt. Mix it well, and then you want to go ahead and coat the chicken wings. Make sure to coat them well and shake off any excess flour. I coated the chicken wings twice. I use small organic chicken wings. I just prefer them small. I fried them for 3 minutes on each side, but if you're using bigger wings, cook them for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Your oil should be between 350 and 375 degrees. If the oil is too hot, then the outside will burn and the inside will remain raw, and then you'll have to finish them in the oven, and there's no need for that. So total about 6 to 8 minutes. Super easy. Once they're fully cooked through, place them on a lined plate with paper towel or a wire rack, and then you'll want to get started on the honey lemon pepper sauce. For the honey lemon pepper sauce, you're going to need unsalted melted butter, honey, salt-free lemon pepper seasoning, and salt to taste. Lemon pepper seasoning is just much more potent than fresh lemon zest and freshly ground pepper, in my opinion, and I think it's best for these wings. Coat the wings in that delicious sauce and you're done. These were fantastic and didn't need any additional sauce, but feel free to serve these with blue cheese or ranch. The complete recipe along with more detail is over on my website, cookedbyjulie.com. Please, please, please make these. They were amazing. Let me know if you do, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching.